Hey guys, today I'll be talking about how you can use your own image in Leonardo AI. You can open Leonardo AI by clicking the link in the description. First of all, you'll click on AI image generation. Then you'll scroll down and click on image prompt. After clicking on image prompt, you will upload your image here. After uploading the image, I'll type a prompt here. I'll type futuristic Iron Man armor girl and then I'll click on generate. You can regenerate the image unless you like the one. Okay, so this was the image I uploaded and these are the results. So here are some options. So this is how you can use your own image and create more images with it. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this.